Hello, energetic people. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Energetic Minds. In this series of Java Cool Concepts, we are learning Java concepts with the help of programs. In this video, we are going to learn how to print the objects. So let's begin. So the class name here is printing. So the Java file name is also printing. Let us come to the main method. First of all, let us create one more class. This is not a main class. Class here it is person. Next, the class name is person. Always remember the class name should start with caps. Next, string name int age. We have taken two variables of one is of type string and another is of type int. Now what we are going to do, public person string name comma int age. So what is this public person string name comma int age? So this is a constructor method. This is a constructor method. So the constructor method will always have the same name as that of the class name. You can see the person here also person. Next, so I can write here this is the constructor method. This dot name is equals to name. So this dot name equals to name. What we are doing? We are assigning the name parameter to the name field. We are assigning the name parameter to the name field. We are assigning the name parameter to the name field. This line does, I can write here, assigning the name parameter to the name field. Okay, enter. So then this dot age equals to age. So now what is this line doing? We are assigning the age parameter. The age parameter to the age field. To the age field. Okay. Once we have done this, then we will do this. At the rate of caps lock O, override public string to string. We will open the braces. So what does this public string to string do? It is overriding, it overrides the toString method. It overrides the toString method of the object class. It is overriding the, it is over, it overrides the toString, toString we have used, right? toString method, toString method of the object class. Now return person name is equals to plus name plus comma age equals to plus age plus, then we will close. So it is returning. What is this returning is? This is returns a string. It returns a string representation of the object. It returns the string representation of the object. So we have closed it, close the braces. Now we'll come to the main class. So in the main class, what we'll be doing is person. Okay, we are creating a object for the class person. So the object name here is person only. Person equals to new person. I'll give some name. Suppose I give Bob, and suppose he is 30 years. Okay. So we are creating a new person object. We are creating a, I can write here, creating a new person object. Then system.out.println what we are printing, we are giving this as the person. We are printing person. What it is we are doing is we are printing the object. We are printing here what we are doing. We are sending this. We are printing the object. We are printing the object using its toString method. We are printing the object. That is what we are learning here. We are printing the object using its toString method. So let me explain this program in little detail. So this is the class person. So we are declaring a class named person to represent a person with name and age attributes. We can see here name and age attributes. Next, public person string name and int age. Here we are actually using a constructor method for the person class and initializing the name and age fields. We are initializing the name and age fields to the with the help of the constructor method. Constructor method, how you know this is the constructor method? Because the class name and this constructor name will be same, person. Next, what we are doing? Override. So override public string to string. So this is overriding it overrides the toString method of the object class. It overrides the toString method of the object class to provide a custom string representation for objects. Okay. So here person name equals to new person. Here we have given person if you see here in this main class printing person equals to new person. So what does it mean? If we are creating a new person object with the name Bob and age is 30. Next what we are doing? We are printing the person object. We are printing the person object which invokes the what it invokes? It is invoking the it invokes the overridden. It invokes the overridden toString method to get a string representation of the object, to get this string representation of the object. Let us run this program. One second. Control S. So now we can see name is equals to Bob and age equals to 30. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, do share, comment and forget not to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.